understand one thing. It's not our man thing. Men are sexual beings who are born that way. When a man says hi to a woman, he wants to have sex with her. When a man invites a woman for lunch, he wants to eat before having sex with her. Men, that's how we are. I know women are going to say, oh me, I like having male friends. A man cannot be a friend. It's just a matter of time before he sleeps with you. That's all we want. The world would be a more peaceful place if we could just sleep with each other. I tell you this, not in jest, I kid you not. Statistically speaking, let me tell you this. A man, anytime that he's very happy, he has just eaten, had sex, or is driving. So we need to buy men more cars, give them more food, and sleep with them more. Men and pornography, anything that is sex, it's not a matter of being a playboy, no, 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 no. Never come between a man and a stack of porn. If you walk to a bookshop, you're going to buy a book, okay? 50 Rules of Success. The book is 400 shillings. Outside the bookshop, there's a man selling porn magazines that are very old. They're torn out, they're like 1,000 shillings. The man will hesitate. Why? Because we are sexual beings. It's not that we want to be, no, listen, we don't want to assume anything about women. Moral line is this, we are sexual beings, we are not playboys. That's the reality of the situation. It doesn't mean that you must have a Mercedes Benz for you to be a playboy. In fact, all you guys drive big cars. You think you're the playboys in the city. No, you are not. The real playboys are the people who ride the bodas and the shamba boys. This is a fact and everybody knows it. Why? Because you are busy making so much money to sustain that Range Rover Sport. Meanwhile, there's somebody else who is benefiting from your money. Especially for Parkland. Just go to Parkland. There's a new plant called Mugombero that has come out. What do you know Mugombero? I'm telling you, it's supposed to heighten your libido. Once the Subarus live like this, you know the Subarus are born in Parkland, the Shamba boys.